Since our founding in 1874 and for the past 147 years, Colorado School of Mines is focused on producing the top scientists and engineers, industry leaders, entrepreneurs, and the knowledge and innovations that the world needs.
Good to be graduating. It was a long 5.5 years actually, but excited.
I am so excited. it's been a long time coming, but here we are.
It didn't really hit till like this morning. It's just very rewarding to be standing here.
At Mines, we've learned how to dream big, and we've also built the networks and the skills to make crazy ideas happen. Graduates of the class of 2021 are going to change the world.
Never thought this day would come, and it's finally here, so I'm out of here.
Getting into the real world. I just moved out to San Francisco, so I'm excited to take everything that I've learned and use it.
Feeling really excited to walk across that stage.
I got a job, I'm moving in a couple weeks, so this is just a really great launching point for me and the rest of my life.
Everyone gets to come together and celebrate our achievements today, so a great day for Mines and therefore the world.
Today, we give thanks for this fine institution, the Colorado School of Mines, and may hope that it be a lively center for sound learning, new discovery, and the pursuit of wisdom.
My favorite part was definitely meeting all my best friends. I have a lot of lifelong friends coming out of Mines.
My mom and my dad, you guys really mean a lot to me, and my girlfriend too, and my little brother as well.
I like friends and family, thank you for all your support. Without them, I wouldn't be here today, so I'm really happy that I had such a great support group.
My family, you guys are the best.
Go Warriors!
Go Mines!
Yeah, go Mines!
Go Mines! Woo!
Go Diggers!